say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are shopping at Ikea, and I always feel like a kid in a candy store when I come here, but we're here to grab a few items that were out of stock online for my PAX wardrobe, and I was just praying that they still had them here. And of course, when I'm in here, I have to look at other things, so I thought I would take you guys along with me while I look around and talk about a few favorites. So guys, these glass containers are one of my favorites to purchase because they are very inexpensive, unlike the retail stores. These glass bottles are great for your liquid laundry detergent. To me, it's so much easier than using like a regular juice dispenser. And they're very cheap. They're like, I believe $1.99 for the small bottles and then $2.99 for the bigger ones. So these are awesome and I highly recommend them.
With that girl you texting when I look away.
You guys seen the price, so if you are looking for some inexpensive white plates, bowls, Ikea is the place to go. They're actually pretty decent quality too, and as you've seen, they were only 79 cents.
Who wants to study your body? Who gets the better version of you? I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. All I need, I need the better version of you. All I need, the better you.
So over in this area, they have doormats without anything on them, and these are one of my favorites because you can literally make your own doormat, put whatever you want on it. They're $4.99. I was so mad, y'all, because they did not have any in stock, but if you go there and you see them, I would definitely grab them because that's a way to do your own DIY.
Just thought I'd call, wish you
I also like these wood hangers, guys. I believe there's like 10 that comes in a pack. They're $4.99 and they also have white and black, and these is nice if you're going for like a wood theme or a boho vibe, but they are really cute and affordable.
This feeling I go when I sit what we had. Would you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby.
Y'all, these food boxes are definitely a must-have. They come in a pack of 6 for $4.99. I have some for Nolan in his drawer. They come in black, white, and gray, and they do a great job of separating your clothes. Little black bags are definitely a new find, but I thought they were cute, maybe to put like little knickknacks in at your house. Wicker baskets I've never seen in Ikea before, and I thought they were so cute, so unique. You can use them for your laundry or put like throw covers in, and for $24.99 I thought that was a great deal. So definitely check them out the next time you go to Ikea.
This feeling I got when I say what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
This was another section I couldn't wait to get to because I really was looking for a mirror for my space. I wanted something that was long enough and tall enough. And the mirror that's, I believe it's $129, I don't know the name, but I'm going to show it right now. It is a great mirror, y'all. The price is actually pretty reasonable if you ask me, for the height and the width of it, but it just wasn't doing it for me. And I'm so happy I waited, because if you watch my Instagram, I showed you this long gold mirror that I purchased from HomeSense, and I'm so in love with it. If you're looking for non-scented decor candles, Ikea is the place to go. I found these large candles that went in one of my vases, and they fit perfectly, so they have all different types and sizes. These glass stems are also another Ikea must-have. I use them for my candles for decor, and they come, I believe, in 3 different sizes. I came across this century play table, and I think it is so cool. I would highly recommend it for mamas that have toddlers. If Nolan didn't have a table that was already like this, I would purchase this myself. Yeah, I love seeing all the rooms in Ikea. They're always so well put together and they're so cute, but I just can't imagine having all that stuff from Ikea in the rooms, because you literally have to put everything together. Y'all, Ikea is infamous for their cube storage, and I love all their storage, plus their boxes and wicker boxes that they have. And then this item over here that's on the wall, a lot of people get it to put extra decor on their shelves, and it always looks so cute in different people's office and rooms. So this is definitely highly recommended. Another product that is great for your office, y'all know that you got to put everything together, but once it's up, it's great for all your papers, especially if you do stationery work or arts and crafts. Love these for the office. I have the long one. finally made it to the section where it shows all the wardrobe stuff. I'm super excited. I was so happy to see this. Come here, dude. What are you doing? He fell asleep? You went to sleep? Come on, let's go. Mommy's looking at her Pax wardrobe. Oh, so this way, this is it right here. This is exactly how mine's gonna look. I have these 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I got these things right here. I got 1, 2, 3 of those. And I got these drawers. So 1, 2, I got to get this one today. And I got to get this one, this big one right here. Because the rest of them was coming and I got to get this shelf. But I got all of these. And the only thing I want to buy extra, I want to buy these right here. But I don't see them. Do you see these somewhere? So yeah. This is exactly identical to mine. The only big difference is I do have this shoe. These are going to be drawers. This is going to be a pull out like pants rack. That's the only big difference. What are you doing, buddy? Let's go. Come on. Last section I wanted to talk about was the kids section. You guys know how much I love these storage organizers. I love that they come in 3 different looks: natural, white, and black. And then there's all different size organized boxes as well, so you literally can store about anything. And if you got kids, you know what I'm talking about because they come with a lot of baggage, y'all. I also love that Ikea has a lot of wood looks, and their toys are a lot better in quality, so I would highly recommend getting some of their toys. Alright y'all, so we are officially leaving Ikea. Super tired and hot for that trip. But my husband's gonna go grab the van so that we can put our stuff in here. This is what I end up getting for my Pax wardrobe. I told you the rest of it's getting delivered. I'm still missing 2 items, y'all. The railing and the other shelf, glass shelf. They don't have it, so hopefully another day we can come and they have it, but that's so annoying. I hope they get it next time. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn your bell notification on, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Toodles.